Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining you for a new tester or a tester how we can enable a new tester so that he can very effectively learn in a quicker manner any product or application which he is going to test. So I am going to provide various tips on how we can improve our testers knowledge in terms of learning a new product or application in a quicker manner. Then definitely this video will be helpful for you. The first tip would be the documentation. We should upfront provide a comprehensive documentation that covers product architecture, features, functionalities and testing process. If we share with our tester, definitely they will try to understand what are the nitty-gritty of our application or product. So in that way our testers can learn in a quicker manner. And even by creating various knowledgeable repositories so that we can keep all the commonly asked questions regarding the product or guides or tutorials, so that testers can easily refer all those documentations, so that those things will definitely help the tester to learn the product in a quicker manner. And the second one is, if we create a orientation sessions with our new testers or testers, they are going to test the application, that would really help the testing team so that they can easily learn very quickly in terms of the product as well as its feature as well as overall testing strategy. The third one is, we should also provide hands-on training to our new tester so that they can learn the things in a very quicker manner by exploring the product in a controlled environment. We should also encourage our new testers to practice the practical exercises and simulations to reinforce whatever the theoretical knowledge they learn from those guides or documents or tutorials, so that they can get a hands-on training as well. And we should also adopt pair programming or pair testing concept, so that even this technique also will help the new tester to learn the product or application in a quicker manner. Here, basically the pair of new testers with experienced team members, we are going to collaborate the new learning. Here, we will be keeping one junior tester and one senior tester together, so that they work together, so that a new joiner also can work with this experienced tester, so that they can work regularly in collaborated way, so that he can guide that new resource in a quicker manner, and also they can provide immediate feedback also for another person. And the next one is, test environment setup is also very key. We should help the new tester in assisting in setting up the testing environment as well, because if we allow that person to learn this test environment, whatever the necessary tools, softwares are required to set up this environment is also key, where you should learn how our test environment look like. Then only you can understand what are the overall architecture, everything. The next one is, we should adopt having a mentorship programming as well as in your project, where we will be allocating certain mentors to every tester, new tester, so that they can pair with the new testers and keep supporting, or they can enable asking more questions and seeking guidance as well by mentorship program within the team or from outside teams as well. And gradual onboarding process, if you adopt, even that is also going to benefit new tester. Here we are going to introduce new tester gradually to the complexity of the product. Starting with we will be giving testers with the simple features to test. Then immediately we are giving the complex scenarios. We will be giving simple, then once he is comfortable, then we will start giving medium. Then once he is comfortable with the medium scenarios, then we will switch him to the complex ones. That's how we should onboard any new tester, so that he can gradually onboard the things, so that he can learn the complete application as well as product. And interactive workshops also you should adopt for our new tester. We should create a 1 or 2 day workshops where all the new testers we can coach them, guide them, help them to understand the product or testing methodology, so that we can help in group discussions, group activities or hands-on exercises that would really help the new testers to come to the speed. And the next one is, the shadowing technique also you should adapt. Shadowing technique is nothing but it allows new tester to shadow the experienced tester during the testing cycle. This provides them the real world exposure and the opportunity to observe the testing practices in action, where testers may not be doing anything new tester here, but you will be shadowing the experienced team member, how he is trying to do, what he is trying to do. By watching all those things, the new testers will get an idea how we should test or how we should learn this new product in a quicker manner. And the next one is use real user scenarios is also very crucial, because for learning activities, we should try to take real user scenarios to help the new testers to understand how user interacts with the product. And this emphasizes the overall testing from end user perspective or user perspective than just rating certain things. That would help the new tester to understand the application from user perspective, so that he can catch the defects from user perspective only. The next one is the regular feedback and review sessions also you should include as part of helping the new tester to learn the new product. Here we are going to conduct a regular feedback session and assessing the new tester, provide a constructive feedback on their testing approaches, communication and problem solving skills, so that we can help them, the new tester, so that he can quickly learn by using these methodologies as well. And always encourage, so that they can ask more question clarification, so that they can get a better understanding on any product and application in a quicker manner. Otherwise, if you are not helping them to ask question, they will just keep quiet and they may not ask any question. Then they will have a lot of confusion in their mind and a lot of clarity won't be there, and they will be always logging all the invalid defects if you are not encouraging questions to ask. These are some of the methodologies or tips. If we follow, definitely we can onboard any new testers or any particular tester into any of your project. They can learn any product and application in a very quicker manner if we adopt all these tricks and tips in your project.